on, guys? Back to a YouTube video today I'm be playing Subway Surfers. So without any further ado, let's get started. So anyways guys, we already have a cop chasing us, which is bad. And I have no idea why. We're being chased by a freaking cop. But anyways, let's just try. Let's just get away from this cop once and for all. Okay, whoa! Okay, get the eye, yes! Wait, I already got the J? Or wait, okay, guys. So I think I've already played this game before. I just don't remember when. But I'm pretty sure it's sometime later in that time. Okay. Because it looks like I'm trying to spell the word jivey. That looks like the word I'm trying to spell is jivey. What the heck? Why isn't that a splendiferous word? Oh! What the heck? Great. This is fantastic. Bowling. I'm bowling to the stars in the sky. Babe, I'm home in the city. I'm running bowling to the stars in the sky. Babe, I'm home in the bowling. I'm bowling to the stars in the sky. Oh, come on, where did my surfboard go? I want my surfboard back. Alright, guys. Wait. Huh. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for making me happy. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for making me happy. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for making me happy. Thank you for making me zombie squirrel at the Majestic Movie Studio Park. Come again soon. And just in case you guys have seen Alvin the Chipmunk amongst me Frankenstein before, I'm pretty sure everybody has. Leave a comment section down below what you think. Well, some people didn't. Maybe probably you guys in the corner, and maybe you guys is sitting down in bed watching this video. Everybody's friends, New York, people playing on the. Whoa, okay guys. Whoa, I'm actually going way too fast. Guys. Whoa, slow down, Mr. Speedy Pants. Guys. Whoa, guys, I think I'm actually going way too fast. Whoa, the train's going way too fast. Whoa. I think this is a warning sign telling me that they're going way too fast. Crazy stuff going on here, blowing my mind. What up? Crazy stuff going on here, blowing my mind. What up? Crazy stuff going on here. Alright guys, as soon as you... Okay guys, let's just do one more to go. And then... Oh wow. Alright, without any further ado, let's get started. Oh no, guys, I missed the jumping thing. Wait, why am I going? Oh, guys, why am I going so slow? That's like one of my questions. Like, why am I going so freaking slow? Like, why am I going so slow? What the frick? Why am I going so slow? Come on, kid, run faster. Okay, guys, I think we're starting to actually go even more faster. Okay, so guys, every time when we collect the coins, I think you started to get even more faster. Guys, I'm actually curious, I'm actually even curious of why this is even called Subway Surfers. Is it probably because it's called Subway Surfers because when there's literally just a bunch of trains here? When it's literally just a bunch of trains here? Is that it? Or is it probably because when... Is it probably because when... Okay, well, I just lost my boots. Okay, I just lost my boots. Well, that's kind of a problem. Okay, got the boots back. Let's go! Let's go! Oh, come on! Anyways, guys. That was Subway Surfers. So anyways, thank you so much. Okay, guys, I want to see what's inside these boxes. Jake's spray can? Who's Jake? Who's Jake? Wait, guys, who's Jake? Okay, guys, so that is Jake, the kid who's in number 1. So anyways, guys, that was... No! Okay, stop! Anyways, guys, that was Subway Surfers. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and I'll see you guys later. So, peace out!